the clouds. Kind of dreary underneath. Needed to do a maintenance test flight. So I brought my co-pilot here, Deven. And he wanted to go out to eat. So I figured we'd go check out what's going on in the Pittsburgh area. Maybe we'll run into somebody like, oh, Ed or Taylor or Josh from ACRE of Pittsburgh. And we can say hi. And if not, we hope to see you at the National Real Estate Summit down in Cincinnati, Ohio, coming up in about 2 weeks. Until then, I hope everybody is having as much fun today as we are. Anything to say, Deven?
I look forward to seeing any of you there.
And don't forget to listen to our new Real Power Family radio show on the Brushwood Media Network.